it happens to be the official music launch of this absolutely fabulous film called Hamari Adhuri Kahani. So without taking more time, well, these guys are just getting done. I think now I can say, Mohit, can I have your attention? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mohit Suri and Vidya Balan. It's told me something that is scaring me right now. But thank you so much for making it here. And thank you so much for attending your own music launch. What and where is Imran Hashmi?
Well, he missed the Air India flight also.
What?
He missed the Air India flight.
Hey, you're copying my joke. Vidya, thank you so much for coming. I'm going to put forward the first question to you. आप एक इतनी intense actor हैं, आपने इतनी बेहतरीन films की हैं, and then आपका जो ट्रेलर में जो इमोशन निकल के आ रहा है, it's almost as if the music is elevating every emotion. So, what did you love most about the music when Mohit told you that ये सारे गाने आपकी फिल्म में आने वाले हैं?
Firstly, hi everyone. It's wonderful to see a full house. I think, you know, this music of Hamari Adhuri Kahani is tells the story of the film. I don't know how else to say it, and it all comes from the heart. When I heard Hamari Adhuri Kahani, the title track, I fell in love. I felt like this was the crutch I was going to hold on to help me perform the film. And every time I needed to get into the zone, it was Mohit's idea. He said, you just listen to this song. I guess every one of us has an Adhuri Kahani in our lives. So that's why you connect with the song, and that's why we're hoping you'll connect with the film.
So that's just the first song. Mohit made you listen to Hamari Adhuri Kahani. Then he's like, okay, we've come out with a second song. Then he makes you listen to Humnawa. What is the emotion then? It just keeps getting better.
When I heard Humnawa, I actually saw Imran Hashmi perform it, and I understood why girls fall in love with Imran Hashmi. He gets the best songs. No, I'm not taking away any credit from him, but it's a beautiful song. And yeah, it comes at a very beautiful place in the film. It's a turning point in the film. I think when you watch the film, of course, you'll know. But Humnawa is an extremely... can you help me, Mohit? What is the word I'm looking for?
The only way to describe it, it's as not put as everything is, even though it's a song about falling in love, it's not, it doesn't just talk about that kind of romance which happens when you fall in love at first sight, but it's felt more, and you know it's going to live a lifetime and it's going to live forever. And that, I think that's the genius of what all my music directors have done in this film. For me, I worked in another direction with this film. I first went and spoke about the film and spent time with them. And as I kept shooting, each song kept coming by. And I would say they have co-directed this film for me. So thank you, all my music directors. Thank you very much.
Okay, wow.
Adhuri Kahani.
There's one question. These hands are the ones who chose certain films, certain directors.
Yeah, put my hand down.
Yeah, you can keep your hand down. Zehar, वो लम्हे, आशिकी, एक villain, आवारापन. Dude, how do you manage to choose such music?
You know,
Murder!
I just told him this as soon as I came up that I get scared whenever I see him because he keeps asking the same question to me and putting me this.
Because?
And I keep telling him.
Mohit, you're paying yourself a compliment.
Yes,
I hope you realize that.
No, I get scared of answering this question because I don't have an answer for it usually.
He keeps like flying around the question but never answers
Yeah,
it.
I don't have an answer for it. So today I openly admit this. I don't have an answer to this question. Suren, you're never going to get an answer to this question.
This is the last time I was asking you this.
I can only credit my music directors, my lyricists, and my singers, the stars of my life. I would be nowhere if it wasn't for all these people. I'm standing here today. So thank you all so much for getting me here today.
Absolutely. I believe you. I believe you. But it happens to be the official audio music launch. And Sony Music would like to commemorate us, not me alone, but Radio Mirchi. So can I have our CEO and MD, Mr. Prashant Pandey, Vidya? If you could. I would request your presence to give away the first set of awards. Now these are the golden discs. So I do the top 20, the Mirchi top 20. And when a song ends up staying in the top 5 for a minimum of 50 days, which is quite a lot with the kind of music that we keep getting now, it's fabulous. So we give the golden disc. So I'm going to call on the people who made the first song possible, क्योंकि दुनिया में एक टाइप के छोकरे होते हैं एंड इनको बड़ी डांट मिलती है, इनको पुलिस का डंडा मिलता है, इनको ठरकी छोकरे कहते हैं, लेकिन इनको अवार्ड कभी नहीं मिलता है. And today we are going to change that. So ladies and gentlemen, our first recipient of the golden disc, the team behind Turkey Chokro from PK, Swaroop Khan. All right, that's the first golden disc that has gone out. भाई अब जो दूसरा गोल्डन डिस्क है वो एक ऐसा गाना है जिसने नचाया नहीं, उतना नहीं नचाया, रुलाया बहुत, इमोट करवाया एंड 49 डेज के ऊपर रहा ऑन द नंबर 1 पोजीशन. एंड इस सॉन्ग को अगर अवार्ड ना मिले सो आई विल बिकम एक विलन. एंड द फर्स्ट टाइम आई रेड द नेम ऑफ द सॉन्ग आई डिडंट थिंक इट वाज गलियां, आई थॉट इट वाज गालियां. मुझे पढ़ रही है तेरी गालियां. हाँ ओके लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अंकित तिवारी, मनोज मुंतशिर for producing a fabulous song called तेरी गलियां. ये घर की मुर्गी एक तरीके से, ये मतलब it's just apt that you give out the award.
अच्छा मैं गा तो सकता नहीं हूँ. मोहित सर, a big thank you. Vidya, thank you for being here and honoring us with this disc. रेडियो मिर्ची सुनने वाले ऑलवेज खुश. और हमसे खुश कौन है इस वक्त? अंकित. मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहना चाहूंगा मिर्ची के सभी लिसनर्स के लिए, ये सब तभी मुमकिन होता है जब आप हमारा गाना सुनते हैं और बहुत दिल से सुनते हैं. डरे सहमे हुए लफ्जों में कुछ लिखा हमने, बने वो नगमे तभी जब तुम्हें पसंद हुए. डरे सहमे हुए लफ्जों में कुछ लिखा हमने, बने वो नगमे तभी जब तुम्हें पसंद हुए. हमारा कद तो कभी इतना बड़ा था ही नहीं, तुम्हारे कंधों पे बैठे तो हम बुलंद हुए. थैंक यू सो मच. अंकित, ओवर टू यू.
सबसे पहला थैंक्स अगर बनता है तो मोहित का बनता है एक्चुअली. और मेरी लाइफ का पहला टर्निंग पॉइंट अगर कहें तो आशिकी 2 था. माई सॉन्ग वो सुन रहा है ना तू रो रहा हूँ मैं. उसके बाद सेकेंड टाइम विलन ऑफ कोर्स तेरी गलियाँ. मैं यही बोलूँगा मोहित कि यार आपने बहुत अच्छी नज़र कर ली थी. कर दे इधर भी तू निगाहें, जो लाइन थी वो बहुत फिट बैठती है हमारे आप पे रिलेशन पे. मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि मुझे ट्वीट आ रहे हैं और मुझे हक के ट्वीट पे मुझे मेरा नाम लिखा होता है, उसमें पूछते मेरा गाना का है. बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. So thank you Mirchi, thank you for this, thank you Suren for calling me bro. Thank you guys, thank you so much.
Thank you. And Ankit, thank you so much. Manoj, thank you so much. ये award जो है, it's completely deserving. The reason I'm saying it's Ghar Ki Murgi is because the next song, which is also the Golden Disc winner, happens to be again from the same film. Again, it's your film. Mohammad Irfan and Mithun for Banjara. And the beautiful thing is, it's for everyone who doesn't own a house in Bombay. Those who live on rent, this song will make so much sense. That's what I told Irfan also. Mithun, Irfan, if you could please come on stage.
Banjara is a very special song for us. Myself and Mohit spent a lot of time discussing about this song, and it was a very simple expression कि what मोहब्बत बहुत सी चीज़ें होती है ज़िंदगी में, but in this song किसी बेघर को पनाह मिल गई. That was the metaphor that we used, and I really enjoyed writing this song a lot, and it came with a lot of ease. And actually I started writing also because of Mohit Suri. And then when the song came up, it wasn't not one of the easiest songs to sing. And it was a very tough call ki who's going to sing this song. And then I called in Mohammad Irfan, and I think one of the finest vocal performances of our recent times has been Mohammad Irfan. And trust me, Banjara is not easy to sing. I'll be very happy to see Mohammad Irfan, sing that song for all of us here right now. He's there. Don't let him go. Yeah, before I leave the stage, so the last chance, we need a round of applause for the fabulous band over here. They have prepared our songs, and I would like to say that Dharmesh was my senior. He used to come to college, and I have learned a lot from him.
Thank you, Mithun. Thank you so much. Thank you, Irfan. And to present the last award, Vidya and Mohit, all the connections coming. The next song is almost a song that threatens you. It's like Arnab Goswami would be singing this song purely because because it tells you, Tere hoke rahenge, dil zid par hai. It orders you. Raja Natwar Lal, Irshad Kamil. So where are you? Yuvan Shankar Raja, who's not here. And the man who's always invisible, Arijit Singh. Irshad bhai, if you could come on stage to collect the golden disc for Tere Hoke Rahenge from Raja Natwar Lal. Thank you. Thank you, Irshad bhai. Thank you, Mohit. Thank you, Vidya. Thank you so much for coming here. And I hope you all the best. We love the music. It's doing so well. I hope the music, the film all come together and it's a smash hit. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just last words. I think I've never had a song in the Mirchi Top 20 for a very long time. I'm guessing Hamari Adhuri Kahani will break that.
It's in the number five position
It
already.
started at number 5. I'm hoping it goes up and stays there for a long, long time. But before I leave, 12th of June, I'll see all of you in the theaters. 12th of June. Thank you. Love you. Bye.
And also the director from Provoke, Mr. Nikhil Chaturvedi. Mr. Nikhil Chaturvedi and of course, Roop Kumar sir. The next golden disc that goes to the song, in the words of the singer, I'm not even telling you a story. In the words of the singer, he's so thankful that they used the actor's body and his voice and not the other way around. And it's a song that started a series of man crushes purely because it features Hrithik Roshan topless on a beach. And what else do you want? Ladies and gentlemen, the team behind Meherban, Vishal Shekhar, who are not here, Shilpa Rao, a singer, and the man who gave us that massive quote. His body, Hrithik Roshan's voice, not happening. Ash King. So you both will have to wait. Okay, now I'm not going to waste a single moment because there's a massive crowd that is gathering there. Ladies and gentlemen, the next Golden Disc Award winner, I only invited the musicians. This actor also turns up because he said it's my song. the team of G Karda featuring Varun Dhawan. Divya Kumar, Sachin Jigar, Priya Sarai.
Well, I have to say, Badlapur has been the most special movie of my life. And I have to thank Sachin Jigar because this journey would not be complete without them. I think it's very easy for the actors who just come in front of the screen and take all the credit. But honestly, the real heroes are these guys who create these tunes for us to express all this anguish. Even Divyak, who's come like an angel in my life, he's sung for me. Also in ABC2, has an amazing voice. So I'm going to request him to sing a little bit of G Karda for you guys.
एक मिनट I would एक मिनट I would like to thank Varun कि कोई एक्टर ने किसी सिंगर को इतना प्रमोट नहीं किया जितना वरुण धवन ने किया है and I would like कि वरुण धवन के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए म्यूजिक को इतना प्रमोट करने वाला एक इंसान देखा है मैंने and that's वरुण धवन थैंक यू सचिन जिगर कि मुझे इतने हिट पे हिट गाने दिए थैंक यू